Baby is having a hiccup. Oh. Leo. Hey. Having a hiccup? Oh. Oh no. What do we do? Come on. Hmm? Oh. 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 Oh no. Oh. Baby Leo's having a hiccup. Oh. Oh. Are we supposed to give her any water? No, right? Oh. 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 You're photogenic. Oh. Oh. You see the tears on the side of his eyes? Those tears drop. The little teardrops. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Oh. You're pretty photogenic. Yeah. You don't look like this in real life. You're actually cuter in the camera, Leonardo. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Bashing to all the ladies out there? No. Oh. Well, with that hiccup, yeah, you definitely will get other ladies out there. Oh. Oh. What are we supposed to do with hiccup, hon? Nothing? Okay, well, Barry's about to die. There's only, I don't know how many percent, like 3%. So I wish I can keep this longer, but... Oh. But I don't think the battery will last that long. Oh. Oh. You are photogenic. The single ladies. No. That's not right. That's not right. That's not how we do it, huh? No. We gotta be respectful. We gotta respect the ladies. Oh, he's sleeping. Oh. Okay. Good night.